location at ng Virgin de los Portores dito sa San Jose. Kung hindi ka pala sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the bell para update sa ginagawa ko. Bye bye! Good vibes only and God bless us all. Peace out! See you in the next video people. Bye bye! Thank you for watching.